97 Chevy Silverado 1500. Still got all the stock converters right there, right there. Then we put a MagnaFlow 18-inch body muffler and a 2.5-inch tailpipe right there. Let you guys hear it. They come true dual from the factory right there. The customer didn't want to spend a lot of money on it, so we wired it back into one with the muffler. Let you guys hear it in a minute. See, you can barely hear it. It breaks in after 30 days, a little bit more.